Welcome to this video about Marie Curie, one of the most influential scientists. Marie Curie was a Polish-born physicist and chemist who made groundbreaking contributions to the study of radioactivity, which revolutionized our understanding of matter and energy. Her discoveries led to the development of new technologies that have transformed the fields of medicine, industry, and energy. Marie Curie was also a trailblazer for women in science, overcoming numerous obstacles to become the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first female professor at the University of Paris. Marie Curie, originally named Maria Salomea Sklodowska, was born in Warsaw, Poland, on November 7, 1867. She was the youngest of 5 children in her family, and her parents were both teachers. Her father was a math and physics teacher, and her mother was a headmistress of a girls' school. Marie's family faced financial difficulties, and her father's teaching job was taken away by Russian authorities who were then occupying Poland. Despite this, her parents encouraged their children to pursue education, and Marie excelled in her studies from a young age. She showed a particular interest in science and mathematics, which was unusual for girls at the time. After completing her high school education, Marie was unable to attend university in Poland because it did not accept women. Instead, she worked as a governess and tutor to help support her sister's medical studies. While in Paris, Marie began to attend classes in physics, chemistry, and mathematics at the University of Paris, where she eventually earned her degrees in physics and mathematics. Marie's youth was marked by her determination to pursue her education despite the obstacles she faced as a woman. Her passion for science and her early successes in her studies set the foundation for her groundbreaking research in the future. While studying in Paris, Marie met Pierre Curie, a physicist whom she later married in 1895. Together, they conducted groundbreaking research on radioactivity, a term coined by Marie, and discovered 2 new elements, polonium and radium. They developed methods to extract these elements and studied their properties, which led to a revolution in our understanding of the atomic structure of matter. In 1903, they were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, along with Antoine Becquerel, for their work on radioactivity. Sadly, Pierre died in 1906, leaving Marie to continue their research alone. She became the first female professor at the University of Paris and continued her work on radioactivity, discovering that radiation could be used to treat cancer. During World War I, she equipped X-ray vans with her portable equipment and trained radiologists, earning her the nickname the radiographer. In 1911, she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her discovery of radium and polonium and her pioneering work on radioactivity. Marie Curie died in 1934 from complications related to her exposure to radiation. Despite knowing the dangers of radiation, she continued her research and work on X-rays, developing new techniques and methods for radiation therapy. She also founded the Curie Institute, which is still one of the leading centers for research on cancer and radiobiology. Marie Curie's contributions to science revolutionized our understanding of the atomic structure of matter and paved the way for modern physics and medical treatments. Her pioneering work on radioactivity and cancer therapy continues to influence science and medicine today, and her legacy as a trailblazing researcher and educator is still felt around the world. We hope that you enjoyed learning about the life and work of Marie Curie, and that it has inspired you to pursue your own passions and dreams.